Hi everyone, welcome to Easy English Boost. In today's video, we've got a basic grammar quiz designed just for beginners, 30 fun MCQs to get you thinking. Ready to test what you know? Let's jump in. 1. Which of the following is a correct sentence? She doesn't like apples. Tips: use does in 4 third-person singular subjects in negative sentences. 2. What is the plural form of child? Children. Tips: irregular nouns often have unique plural forms, like children instead of childs. 3. What is the correct sentence structure? He played football yesterday. Tips: the correct word order in English is subject verb object. 4. Which word is an adjective? Quick. Tips: adjectives describe nouns and often answer questions like how or what kind. 5. Choose the correct form of to be in the sentence. They going to the market. Are. Tips: are is used for plural subjects in the present continuous tense. 6. Which is the correct preposition to complete the sentence? She is sitting. The chair. On. Tips: use on 4 surfaces or objects you sit on. 7. Choose the correct sentence. She is reading a book. Tips: present continuous equals subject plus is or are plus verb plus object. 8. Which of the following is the correct negative form? I am not going to school. Tips: use am not with the first person singular subject. 9. Which of these is a compound sentence? I like coffee, but I hate tea. Tips: a compound sentence has 2 independent clauses joined by a conjunction. 10. What is the correct form of the verb, by the time he home, I will have finished my work? Arrives. Tips: use the present simple form of the verb with time clauses in future perfect tense. 11. Which is the correct form of they in the sentence? Are going to the concert tomorrow. They. Tips: use they as the subject pronoun. 12. Which of these is a countable noun? Car. Tips: countable nouns can be counted, like car, whereas uncountable nouns cannot. 13. Which of these sentences is in passive voice? The lesson is taught by the teacher. Tips: in passive voice, the object of the action becomes the subject of the sentence. 14. Which sentence is correct? She doesn't like coffee. Tips: remember, Doesn't is the correct negative form for third person singular. 15th. Choose the correct form of the verb. He goes to the market. Tips: remember, for third person singular, goes is used. 16. Select the correct sentence. We have seen the movie. Tips: the present perfect tense requires have or has plus past participle. 17. Choose the correct option. It is raining, so I will stay inside. Tips: pay attention to logical connection. Raining leads to staying inside. 18. Which sentence is in the past tense? I ate an apple. Tips: past tense actions typically end in ed or use irregular verb forms. 19. Identify the correct form of the adjective. She is taller than him. Tips: comparative adjectives end in er or use more before them. 20. Choose the correct preposition. She is fond of singing. Tips: use fond of when expressing a liking or affection. 21. Select the correct pronoun. He went to the store. Tips: pronouns replace nouns and must agree in number and gender. 22. Select the correct conjunction. I wanted to go, but I didn't have time. Tips: conjunctions connect ideas logically, such as but for contrast. 23. Which sentence uses the correct word order? She only eats vegetables. Tips: remember, only usually comes before the verb or noun it modifies. 24. Which sentence is in the passive voice? The book was read by her. Tips: in the passive voice, the object becomes the subject of the sentence. 25. Choose the correct conditional form. If I had known, I would have gone. Tips: third conditional expresses hypothetical situations in the past. 26. Select the correct form of the word. He is better than me. Tips: use better alone, not more better. 27. Which word is a noun? Apple. Tips: a noun is a person, place, or thing. 28. What is the superlative form of big? Biggest. Tips: use est for short adjectives. 29. Choose the correct conditional form. If it rains, we at home. Will stay. Tips: use will in the main clause for first conditional. 30. Which word is a noun? Table. Tips: nouns name people, places, or things. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly English lessons. Keep practicing, see you soon.